Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are here again with an amazing and full of knowledge video. As you know, we always remain busy solving your money-making problems. The topic of today's video is how to make money on Instagram 2022. We have made many videos about how to make money through different platforms, and today, we will give you some tips and tricks on how you can use Instagram for some business purposes except having fun with it. Let's start with the video. We all are familiar with Instagram. Almost 90% of Android and iOS users have Instagram. Some of them only use it for fun purposes, and some know how to make money on Instagram, so they are taking advantage of this feature of Instagram in 2022. In this video, you will get different money-making options through Instagram, so watch this video until the end. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and bring something new from it. Instagram is a social networking platform where you are connected with your friends and near ones. You can share different pictures and videos and memes on Instagram. There are some fun groups also on Instagram. You can say that Instagram is a modified form of Facebook. This was all the introduction of Instagram. Now we will move toward the main topic of our video, which is how you can make money from Instagram in 2022. We will share some ways to make money from Instagram for your guidance. Partner with a brand. The best way to earn money from Instagram is to become an influencer. If you share engaging content of a brand or business, you will get prizes and money in exchange. It means you can promote any brand and will get paid by them. The money you will get depends upon your rate and your number of followers. Instagram is a game of followers. If you want to earn from Instagram, you should have enough followers to get paid. So work on increasing your number of followers. There are 4 types of influencers: nano influencer, mega influencer, macro influence, and a micro influencer. Nano influencers with 500 to 10,000 followers may get $10 to $100 per post. Micro influencers with 10,000 to 50,000 followers may reach $100 to $500 per post. Mid-tier influencers may earn $500 to $5,000. Macro influencers may earn up to $5,000 to $10,000. Mega influencers may get more than $10,000 per post. Is it not enough and a handsome amount to earn while having fun simultaneously? Now move to the next option from which you can make money on Instagram. Get paid by Instagram as a creator. Facebook has planned to invest around $1 billion in a program that will allow content creators to earn money from the content they will make. A program from which you can monetize your content is Creator Funds. You can monetize your content using Instagram Live badges, IGTV ads, and bonuses. Open an Instagram shop. You can open your online shop on Instagram. You can upload some products and give the proper description under the product. Do advertisements and try to provide some deals so then more and more people will start buying products from you. Become an affiliate. If you become an influencer, you will get paid per post. If you get an affiliate, then you will be delivered on commission. The average commission ranges from somewhere between 5% to 30%. Affiliate programs on Instagram are often called brand ambassador. Your number of followers is not a deciding factor for brands looking to hire affiliates. Instead, they want to see that you're a fitting person who connects with their audience. Moreover, you can do the following works also on Instagram. Offer Instagram marketing services. Sell photos, illustrations, or digital files. Offer your audience exclusive content. Dropship products. Create an Instagram feature account. You can earn money from Instagram in these different ways. It means you do not need exceptional experience to earn money on Instagram. You can even earn money without investment. Try getting more followers on Instagram, and you can make money quickly. So, start using this big social networking platform from now for earning. There are many tips and tricks which you may use to succeed on Instagram. If you want to know about those tips, you may tell us in the comments section below. We will make some more videos for your convenience. So in this video, we told you that you could use Instagram for a better purpose or to earn your livelihood except using it only as fun. This was all from today's video. Hope you like it and don't forget to share these informative videos with your friends and family. Also, subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified first whenever we upload the next video. Hit the like button to appreciate our efforts, as we are doing this all for your convenience. We will catch you soon, guys. Stay tuned till the next video.